1, check 2, check 1, check 2 alongside the youngest MC in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we must say no game tonight. The game has been cancelled, right? So we don't have no game tonight. See? It rain out, man. Last minute, the most I said no game. No game. So no game tonight, ladies and gentlemen. See there? No game. Outside the car almost. Hold on. Yeah, no. We're live. Outside the Garifuna Stadium. Yeah.
Yes. Good night. I don't know, right? Park it, right? We are getting us up yet.
Right? Yeah, make them know, Pop.
And right now, everyone that Garifuna today supposed to be game, but no game to play today. And for the rain, we didn't know we are getting rain tonight, but that's our life set.
What? Things drop. Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, that's our life set. We get a lot of rain tonight, but dog hard work, we can't complain about that.
Yeah.
Next week, yeah, we more better. Right, that Garifuna.
Rose Lewis, good night, Rose.
Good night.
Yeah, good night.
The game we're about to play tonight, maybe, we're not sure, maybe, yeah, play midweek.
Yeah.
So, and just keep updates. We are giving no updates during the week. But just know what the game we're going to play tonight, October 27th, yeah, play midweek.
Yeah. Well, we don't know if that midweek I play,
We're
right?
not sure if it's midweek, but most likely, they aside for midweek.
Yeah.
But we're making a know further notice.
Alright. So we gotta give away tonight. Remember, tomorrow is the Miss Garifuna contest tomorrow.
Yes, that's Sacred Heart Parishal.
What time?
6
p.m. So I give away a ticket. We give away a ticket right now to Miss Garifuna. Right? We want you to give us. The question is the contestants.
Yeah, that's a good one. At least one concession for tomorrow.
Yeah. Yes, Rosa. I'm sure already Rosa been with your neighbor, of course, and neighbor. Good night. We're outside the Garifuna Stadium right now, and we're sorry, but no game tonight. No Mayor's Cup game. It get postponed for the weather. So no way look. That's not our fault. That's the weather.
Alright. If it's not rain tonight, game I play right now, because I'm pack right now, but that's how God work.
Who may I win tonight?
Why, B-Town? Why, we got it straight right now, no. You know what I said? Kidding, I show you.
What, Rose? Is that LA? Is that New York? What? You trouble? You doing big things?
We're active tonight.
Man, we're going to B-Tongue shirt.
Good. Hide it for the people. Like, yeah.
Why? Alright, again, ladies and gentlemen, we outside the legendary Garifuna Stadium. Once game live, you know, matter. Good night, families. Yeah. Well, when I get to see the game sometime in a week or next week.
Right? They tour the game live, direct inside your living room.
Inside the living room. So we're outside the Garifuna Stadium, ladies and gentlemen. There we are. We're outside right now.
I don't believe. Sit there.
Garifuna Stadium. Yeah. Why? I'm gonna tell them right now. We're outside the legendary Garifuna Stadium. I'm alongside the youngest MC in the world. Name was Bodani. Reyes. Right? So, we're moving where going now, Pop?
Well, where they head to? Lee Clan.
That's what you like, walk about. I like walk about.
We are bring Bash live later in the living room. I'm not gonna know you. No later.
We don't know what it.
Let's do the whole.
light go through the hole, boy. Make us see.
We're gonna know. We're gonna circle no.
Yeah.
Remember through this place that when the big bun don't happen, we have to take a pass here, make the people know they get down. Show the whole down, go look.
Yeah, man. So again, no game tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about that. God works. The God said no game tonight because
after the rain.
After the rain, right?
A lot of rain, but it doesn't dry down. It does.
And then, what about? I'm alongside the youngest MC in the world, so
the baddest youngest MC
in the world, the whole wide world.
Alright.
What down the Paki?
Alright.
Yeah. What are you going on? Why? Share middle of the road? What are you trying to do it with?
Straight down.
Where?
No.
No. Yeah.
Right, so right now we're heading to Noah. Toronto.
Yeah. Right now?
Toronto.
Tonight is going to be a little Sweet Pain Band, right? That's Sweet Pain Band or the Lakeland? Alright.
The Harlem Youth will be here tonight. Noah. And a lot of DJ right here.
Tonight,
Noah. You want to go tell? You go show now the inside though? No, the spell no. The spell no.
Yeah.
We are going on Bola later.
Why it's light, man? Cut off this light, man. Alright, yeah. When I tell light come on, I don't want to come on. Come on when it wants. Yeah, again, we're doing a giveaway right now, tomorrow, inside Parish Hall.
Miss Garifuna
inside Parish Hall tomorrow night. Now we're going to be there. We are going to be there inside Parish Hall. Alright, so stay tuned for that. DYFA, we're going to show you live action.
Alongside the baddest and youngest.
Why look like somebody there? You are going there?
No.
We're going up there, man. Up there, we'll come back down. We're giving away a ticket.
Okay, then, let's go.
We're giving away a ticket. Alright. We're giving away a ticket, right? Right, our fight. Now, tell us how many contestants we got. Alright, let's go, Paki.
Let's go.
Let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Paki say he ready. Meet the youngest MC in the world. Oh, sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. They don't answer the question yet. The first person who answer it will get a ticket.
For tomorrow, Miss Garifuna.
Correct.
Right now.
Let's go. For sure. How many contestants we got and earn yourself a ticket? Alright, make sure you bring somebody. Huh? Make sure you bring somebody. Alright. The rain now will stop it. When you see how rain stop the thing, rain now will stop this. They're live, you know. Let's go back. In the corner there. See there? See? This is behind the scenes, see? It happen. Rain and shine happen, right? So when I come out and support the thing. Paki, who you bring?
Nobody.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Warisi still owe me Put on pack. I want to sit down. Alright. So where I come in, right? So where I come in because I want to make one that shaky, ladies and gentlemen. And Worry still borrowed she and Ernst in Francisco. I don't want to say a long time. So they put it up there like that. I want to make that shaky back. So they got there, look what we're. You see? But I'll fun and joke aside, come on out tomorrow at 6. You will happen right there. Right inside for a shop. Alright, show them right now how big this place is.
Boy, big boy. Big boy.
Anybody answer the question yet?
No, your answer.
Who was last year, Miss Dangriga? They earned themselves a ticket.
No,
And this one sponsored by Miss Jude Release Foundation. No? Mr. Ella Kanaki. She is sponsored the same ticket there. Right? Anybody have the answer with the packet?
No.
We wait.
We wait.
So how many contestants this year? We asked that question earlier about half an hour ago. Make we see if we have an arm. No put it on.
Okay. No, get nothing. They have to take.
Okay, they're asking how much for going. We don't tell them no man. We don't tell them no. $10. If you got 20 left, they not give change.
No.
$10, ladies and gentlemen. $10 to come in. $5 to children. Kids and youth $5. So you earn yourself a ticket to come in, but you have to bring 3 people in too. All right. What that answer? Is what we said? How much? How much people? How much contestants? Anybody say the answer? Eh? Look at it. Look at it live. Miss Mauricio, just give me the answer. How much? No, you look, man.
2 people.
Huh?
2 people.
2 people? Who the first one I say? No, man, you read, man. You don't teach it. Wait, just play with the live like that. No, this way, they gotta work. Who got it first? Who got it first, Paki?
Right, they don't got.
Whoa. Come. Alright, let me see who got it first. Alright. That on me. And this is sponsored by Miss Ella Kanaki, right?
Yes.
Alright. Alright. Sita Paki. Sita. Who that? Alright, Sherry and Zuniga, congratulations. You just win yourself a ticket. Was it Ashley Mejia? Who was Ashley Mejia?
Yes.
Was she one last year? Okay, so Sherry and Zuniga win 2 times? No, Miss Sherry, no. You can't win 2 times, yeah. You get a free ticket. You want to make it hard, that's why we say person no win. So she was the last candidate, Ashley. Okay, so Miss Shereen win again. This who that Nick Breger? Nick the wrong answer. Nick, you can't win. Nick, you can't win. Right. You can't win, Nick. You cheat. You don't want nobody to cheat. Give a fair chance to everybody. All right, ladies and gentlemen, only one person win tonight because Packy didn't want to give. I can't blame me. Right? Courtesy of Miss Ella Karaki. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we gotta go. Well, soon again. Packy, you ready? Sweet pen? Side to side, we're gone. What? We'll give you one more ticket. Smash. Good night. Later. Ayo. Good. We're still live. I give you one more ticket.
There's one ticket or what?
One more.
When Packy bad.
Packy again, boy?
Yeah, when Packy bad.
Alright, we're gonna give away a ticket. But we'll give away. And this is courtesy of Miss Ella Kanaki and the Jubilees Foundation. She's giving away a ticket. Right? That's how we do it. Packy, I get a ticket for your wall here. You want one? Oh, wait, we're alive now. We're still alive.
One for my city.
Okay. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Alright.
One for my baby girl.
Okay.
She and myself.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going through tongue again one more time. Right? Alright, one more time. You want to straight back or you're dizzy?
No. Me busy.
Wait a minute, no, just a go good, the thing is shake.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I got that.
Good. We got one ticket giveaway tonight. One more ticket. We already give away one. Congratulations, Shireen Zuniga. You win yourself a ticket by Jubilees Foundation for Miss Garifuna tomorrow inside Paris Hall. Come out. It starts at 6 p.m. live. DYFA will show it up. Okay. We will show it. We are going to be showing this event. Right? So thank you very much, Shireen Zuniga. You won yourself. So stay on the live, share the live, because then we'll give away some more stuff tonight too. Right? We're going to give away Mayor's Cup tickets. We're giving away. What else will I give away tonight?
Well, now you, we'll get a bunch of plantain.
Boy, I promise nobody for plantain. I don't get that. But make free people talk about me, boy. Talk about you want to make talk about me? Alright. Watch your live now, what you think? Whole thing good. Alright, why? Everything nice. There we go. Again, we're passing the
Carama Stadium.
Alright. Game postponed, no game tonight.
Undoing. Father notice.
Father notice. Alright, good.
Radio station. Ya Magambe Haremu Garina.
good night. Good night, one all. This is a promo right now for National Garifuna Council. They're having Miss Garifuna coming back to Griga again, right inside the parish hall. It starts at 6 p.m. sharp. We got 4 ladies. Is it 4?
4.
4. Yeah, 4 ladies vying for the title of Miss Garifuna. You know, that's a coveted title there in Culture Capital. I don't know, once Culture Capital, once we candidate win, we are winning the whole thing. We have to win the whole thing. We are about the winning. We are about looking good. We are about preservation
But
and culture.
My this question, that was 4 young ladies going. Did they for Griga or?
For Griga, man. For Griga.
Or could they?
These are the regional, these are the small one for Griga. The big one, the next is supposed to be the 9th of November.
Oh.
The big one. Right? Where all the other one, they clash together. Right? So, we want to ask one question and then we give her a ticket and we get over it because, you know, this is a beautiful town. Look on it. Griga, though.
Griga down.
Griga, no violence, no crime, nothing, everything was nice. It's a peaceful town.
Peaceful and beautiful.
Beautiful.
Friday night.
Yeah. All right.
And the month is winding down.
Month is winding down. Get in the question.
Just give me the age when packet one and whole packet. Done.
Yeah, all right, go on. Just like that.
Just like that.
Easy as that, I get a ticket.
Easy like that, you're going to ticket.
All right. So, give us the year Packy was born. How old are you, Packy?
19.
Packy say 19. So, give us the year the man born and win a ticket just like that.
Just like that.
Just like that. The year the man born, the man 19 years old. Give us the year the man born and I'll get a ticket to Miss Garifuna tomorrow. How we go? Yeah, get me here the hair or Miss Miss Garifuna Hoga. Yeah, Paris Hall logo. Ain't by a DYFA. Hold on, look what see. Alright, Packy. Where are you born, Packy?
2005.
Huh?
2005.
Well, not to stop the thing, man. Focus. Where are you born?
2005.
Alright, congratulations. Hold on. Congratulations to who? Who that first one to get it? Sherdal Clary. Congratulations. Your name will be at the gate right there. So we are at Miss Garifuna. You get a ticket, you get a wristband, you're going in. You win.
Like that.
Just like that to win.
Why?
Courtesy of Miss Ella Karnake from the Jubilees Foundation. So Sherdal Clear. I can't pronounce the name, girl.
Clear.
Clear?
Mm.
Clear? Alright. Sorry? Alright. No. Thank you very much. You want to give me one ticket?
No.
You
We don't get no more ticket.
Why? Look, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that never me say we don't want to give a ticket, eh? Eh?
Later, I'll just stay lucky because when people party, they will ask some question too. Right? So, yeah, just stay lucky right now we're there too.
The man they talk about party now. But I could tell her right now, right, ladies and gentlemen.
The weather nice.
The weather nice.
Thank the good Lord.
All the things, brother. They know when you're at it, they know when I'm in the video, and they know when packing it. The thing all over the place. Alright. Good.
Well, what tell you, eh? Have to go?
Well, who got a shaka?
Yeah.
I remember the international shaka competition too, right? Remember that.
Yes, November 16th.
Yeah. Who we got now? Huh? Na Shakel, huh? We're live na Shakel. See, I tell you now. This is one of the one on Shakel. Wait till I say that, so see? See, I know I'm walking to the match. Okay. Shakel, I'm one original contestant for Shaka competition. One original. November 16th. Yeah, we happen. Champions of champions inside the Caramo Stadium. I could tell you right now, Shakel, we have to tell the people tonight.
Well, that's what I tell you. Just support me and thing. I don't know everything going good. But Well, make sure this thing will work out.
Correct.
Big up my Lee boy Jun too.
Yeah.
AKA Mr. Flo.
Yeah.
Big up Hito, big up Fidel too.
Yeah.
Everybody
Why?
else big up themselves, all the Shaka man, just big up themselves Civic. Big up yourself kind of international too.
Yeah,
So
boy.
big up yourself family. You don't know.
Well, Shakel, you in this year, you don't go in. You think about
Well,
it?
I still work on it because right now I got a lot of performance
Oh,
right now.
suck, boy. Yeah.
I got too much performance right now, so I'm not really sure if I can make it for the Shaka competition. But I will try, like what I tell you, I will work on it.
Yeah.
Because I book out a lot of places to perform and thing.
Yeah.
So as I work out on it, then I get back to you.
Why? But with no respect to Shakel, man, real culture dog, we call him.
Yes,
really
man.
roots man.
Right there,
The one I
die.
wake now.
Yeah, the perform that the week. The,
Yeah, man. My brother, I say by
Rivas.
Rivers.
Yeah.
We are today. We
Lulu
are today.
and the Garifuna Heartbeat tonight. Rivas.
We are today.
Reach out, support.
Correct.
Enough respect to the people them.
Big up yourself. Ayo. Shakel again, boy.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Yo.